Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you some simple fixes using which you can overcome this error easily. So in method 1, go to Windows settings, click on privacy and security. From here click on the camera option, turn on the camera access and see if this resolves the issue or not. The second method, search for troubleshoot settings. Click on other troubleshooters. Now run the camera troubleshoot. From here, keep selecting the options and see whether the troubleshooting process fixes the camera issue or not. In the next method, open Device Manager. You will see the camera option. If it is not there, simply click on View and then click on Show Hidden Devices. Now expand the camera, right click over it and disable the device. Now re-enable it back again and see whether this fixes the issue or not. If not, then right click over the camera and click on Update Driver and simply update the driver of your camera, and this should fix the issue. In the next method, search for installed apps. Here search for camera. Click on these three dots and click on Advanced Options. Scroll down a bit and click on Reset. Once the reset is done, close everything and restart your computer. After restart, try opening the camera app. It will ask for some permissions. Simply grant the permissions and you will see that the camera will start working again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.